What's going on, fellow YouTubers, Tesla family, Tesla community? Sad news. Margarita and I are heading back to Canada. Wait, I gotta take the glasses off for that one. Sad face. But the one good news is a package arrived today. Let's go see what it is. I'm not sure if that knife is good anymore. Just don't let Margarita know. She'll kill me for using the kitchen knife. A box in the box. So this was sent by SUMK or SUMK. Model 3 accessories, one piece. VIP SUMK at 163.com. Check them out. Need that same knife again. Uh-oh. She's watching me use the kitchen knife now. Oh, interesting. Put this knife in my pocket. That's always safe. Watch out. I don't want to hit the camera woman again like before, like I always do. Wow, they really squish it up. So this is the Model 3 Mac. I already like the fact that the back is one piece. And it's much deeper. But I wish I opened this box a couple days ago when I did get it, because then I could have flattened everything out before it goes into the car. Alright, so the first thing I noticed is they will hold a lot of water. Well, the ones I have in Canada do not. I made a mess in there from snow. One bad thing though that I don't like is it doesn't have Velcro, so it doesn't hold it down. And these already are kind of squishy, so I can see where the pedals are when I do install this, that I can see it popping up. So we'll have to see how that goes, because I can't even stand on it to flatten it because they're not supposed to be completely flat. So I'd ruin that. I know I'm in flip-flops and it's actually it's January 2nd now, 2020. Gotta go install these, but first, lots of sand in the car. Again, I wish I had this before because then all that sand would not be a mess. So we're gonna go clean it. You don't need to see us, I mean Margarita, vacuuming away. So we'll catch you after it's clean. Alright, so it's nice and clean. Thank you, Margarita. Did a great job. So while it was being clean, I kind of flattened them down, sat it down to kind of let it come more to shape. So they actually folded out pretty good afterwards. The other thing is the sniff test. You know, coming from China, a lot of products usually smell really bad. Margarita actually has these rubber cheap boots, and we got rid of them because they're really bad smelling and gone because they came from China. So now she just buys expensive ones. So now with these, what I noticed, they're actually, it's not that bad, surprisingly enough. Like I can put it to my nose and I'm not choking. And you saw, we just opened these up. So it's not really an installation video because it's installing mats, you know. But they sit in really nice now that I did let it fold out. Love that it curves in. We're gonna do the drive back to Toronto, so we'll see how it holds up with everything when we get to the snow. So for here, it would basically be for the sand that's really more of an issue than anything. All right, driver's side, same thing. Sniff test. Actually, this one has like nothing coming off it. Wow, interesting. Very faint. This also has the dead pedal curve. They just slide in, really simple and easy. I like these already. Sniff test. And again, what I like about this one, I know the new version from the Tesla that they make is one piece, but they should have did that from the start. So, et voila, it is installed. And again, this is not an installation video. This is going to be a review. You know, how the product comes in. It was $69.99 from SUMK, SUMK. I'll put a link in the description down below. Say hi to Yoda while we're here, you know. It's not baby Yoda. This is the 500-year-old Yoda backpack. Really cool guy from Disney. Sidetracked. So again, what I really like about it, how it sits in. You know, you don't have to worry about people's feet being anywhere. Even the middle, you've covered. So anyone's sitting in the middle, so covered for sand, snow, salt, and all that stuff. Again, when we get back to Canada, this video is going to continue. We'll see how much snow and ice and water and all that stuff that it does hold. So thanks for watching. This video's not done yet, so, but I can tell you now, like and subscribe while we continue the video. Don't forget. Again, when we get back to Canada, continue. What the heck? I was just in Florida putting these mats to show you the install, but you know in Florida there's no snow, so I guess I'm gonna have to test them here. Time to put the layers on and all the jackets. This is like freezing. I don't know how this happened though. Seriously. -7 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Fahrenheit. It's super cold here. Literally, I don't know what happened. I'm like at front of my car showing you the install and then this happens. This'll do. Alright. I know what you're wondering. Why do I have a shirt? One, it's not just any shirt, it's a Tesla shirt. And we're gonna put this on top because I want to know, will water seep through? Alright, so that's 4 cups of water. It is 5:17. I'm going to come back at 6:15 to see if any water seeped through or not. And judging by this, I would say it would hold 16 cups easy. And because I think it'll hold about 16, why don't we just put it to the test. That's 8. 12. So I was wrong. I mean, depending on the angle, but this is the angle it'll be in the car. So 12 is right here. All right, gonna let it sit for an hour. We'll be back. Alright, so let's see if the floor and the shirt got wet. I think it held because there's still lots of water in here. What's nice about these, they're not flimsy. So it's actually 6:24, well over an hour. Completely dry. So there you have it. It's held up. It did hold up. I just spilled as the water was running around. That was not there. I will put a link in the description below on where you can grab them. They fit very well in the car, the whole ride back, very comfortable. They don't slide and they hold a lot. And again, the dead pedal, the way it covers that, no more having to worry about cleaning that. So far, really happy. It's been just over a week with these. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. As always, I appreciate you watching this. Bye for now.